Welcome to Spring Lib.
This juggling club throws vertically into the air. The center of gravity of this juggling club is 12 inch from the knob. And the length of this juggling club is 20 inch. The velocity of center of gravity is 4 feet per second. And the direction of velocity is upward direction. And this juggling club rotates anti-clockwise at 30 radian per second. So these are the data which is given in the question. Now there are two parts in this question. In first part, we find the velocity of point A and the velocity of point B. So first of all, we represented all the data in vector form. So the velocity of center of gravity is 4. All the direction is measured from the center of gravity. So this is x direction and this is y direction. So 4 feet per second, the direction is upward. So this is j cap. Angular velocity is 30 k cap. And the distance of A with respect to G is equal to 12 inch. And the direction is measured from the G point. So in leftward we take negative sign. So this is minus I cap. Now the distance of B with respect to G is, this is 8 inch, 20 minus 12, so this is 8 inch, and the direction is measured from G point, so this is positive, so this is plus I cap. So these are the data which is given in the question. Now we calculate the velocity of point A. So this juggling club is a rigid body, and all the particles of this rigid body is depends upon the center of gravity. So the velocity of A with respect to G is equal to velocity of A minus velocity of G. So velocity of A is equal to plus Vg. So the velocity of A with respect to G, because the distance is given, A to G is 12 inch. So this is omega into R A divided by G, plus Vg is equal to 4j cap. The angular velocity is 30 k cap, and RAG is, this is inch and this is feet per second. So change into feet. So divided by 12, and direction is minus I cap plus 4j cap. So this is the velocity of point A. Solve this value. This is 12 divided by 12. This is 1. I into k cap. So this is j cap, minus 30 j cap plus 4 j cap. So this is equal to minus 26 j cap. It means the velocity of point A is downward direction, and magnitude is 26 feet per second. Now we calculate the velocity of point B. So this is VB with respect to G plus Vg. So velocity of point B is equal to omega plus Vg. Omega is 30 k cap, and distance is 8 inch, change into feet. So this is 8 by 12 I cap plus Vg is 4j cap. Solve this value and we get the velocity of point B is 24 j cap feet per second. So this is the velocity of point B, and this is the velocity of point A. The direction of velocity of point B is upward direction because positive sign, and the magnitude is 24 feet per second. Now in second part we find the location of instantaneous center of rotation. So let us assume the instantaneous center of rotation is at x distance from center of gravity, and this is represented as c. We know that at instantaneous center point the velocity is equal to 0 feet per second. So velocity of c is equal to velocity of c with respect to g plus velocity of g. Velocity of c is equal to 0, and velocity of c with respect to g is equal to omega, and this distance is x. So this is x I cap plus Vg is 4j cap, omega is 30 k cap plus 4j cap. So minus 30 and I into k, this is j cap, is equal to 4 j cap. So j to j cancel and x is equal to minus 1.6 inch. The negative sign is represented as the instantaneous center of rotation is lie left from the G point. So this is the final answer.